Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 3. Our topic for today is about perimeter of quadrilaterals, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezoid. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Find the perimeter of quadrilaterals that are not squares or rectangles. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to first, calculate the perimeter of parallelograms. Second, give the formula for finding the perimeter of a parallelogram, rhombus, trapezoid, and other trapezoidal shapes. Third, solve the perimeter of quadrilaterals such as parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezoid. And fourth, follow the correct formulas in solving for the perimeter of quadrilaterals. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Show students the quadrilateral family and ask if they remember it. Here are the questions. Number 1. Can you identify a real-world object that matches each type of quadrilateral? Example, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid or trapezium, parallelogram, kite? Number 2. Describe the object and explain why it fits the definition of that specific quadrilateral. For example, you might think of a square tile for a square or a kite toy for a kite. Number 3. How do the properties of these objects align with the geometric properties of the corresponding quadrilaterals? Unlocking content, vocabulary. Match column A to column B. Number 1, perimeter. Number 2, quadrilateral. Number 3, parallelogram. Number 4, formula. And number 5, square. Let us answer. Number 1, perimeter. The answer is letter B, the total distance around the edge of a shape. Number 2, quadrilateral. The answer, letter A, a four-sided polygon. Number 3, parallelogram. The answer, letter D, a quadrilateral with opposite sides that are parallel and equal in length. Number 4, formula. The answer, letter C, a mathematics rule expressed in symbols. And number 5, square. The answer, letter E, 4 equal sides and angle. Day 2. Subtopic number 1, parallelograms and rhombus. Let's read the problem. Mang Pedro planted his vegetable garden with varieties of vegetable seedlings for his family. His garden is in the shape of a parallelogram with a length of 50 meters and a width of 20 meters. What is the total distance around Mang Pedro's vegetable garden? Here are the questions that we need to answer. Let us answer. A. What did Mang Pedro do to his vegetable garden? Answer. Mang Pedro planted his vegetable garden with varieties of vegetable seedlings for his family. B. Why did he plant his garden with varieties of vegetable seedlings? Answer. He planted it with the different kinds of vegetables to provide food for his family. C. What is asked in the problem? The answer. The problem is asking for the total distance around Mang Pedro's vegetable garden or the perimeter of the garden. D. What are the given facts that can help you solve the problem? The answer. The shape of the garden is a parallelogram. The length is 50 meters and the width is 20 meters. E. What can you say about Mang Pedro? The answer. Mang Pedro is a responsible and caring person who wants to provide healthy food for his family by growing a variety of vegetables in his own garden. And here's the perimeter solution. Perimeter of a parallelogram equals 2 times length plus width equals 2 times 50 meters plus 20 meters equals 2 times 70 meters equals 140 meters. So, the total distance around the garden is 140 meters. Explain that the perimeter is the total distance around a closed plane figure. To determine the perimeter of the vegetable garden of Mang Pedro, follow these steps. Number 1, identify the length and the width of the garden. Length is 50 meters, width is 20 meters. Number 2, add the measurements of all the sides of the garden. Since the figure has 4 sides, we say that perimeter is equals to length plus width plus width. Then, P is equals to L plus W plus W. Number 3, using the formula you developed, substitute the measurement of each side, then add. P is equal to L plus W plus W. P is equal to 50 meters plus 50 meters plus 20 meters plus 20 meters is equals to 140 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the distance around Mang Pedro's vegetable garden is 140 meters. Perimeter of a parallelogram. The perimeter of a parallelogram is calculated by adding the length of all its sides, as opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, you only need to know the lengths of 2 adjacent sides. P is equals to L plus W plus W. Or P is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width, or P is equals to 2L plus 2W. Let's have another problem. Mang Jose built a rhombus study table for his son. The sides of the table measure 45 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the table? Here are the questions that we need to answer. Let us answer. A. What did Mang Jose build? The answer, a study table. B. What is the shape of the table? The answer, rhombus. C. What is asked in the problem? The answer, the perimeter of the table. D. What are the given facts that can help you solve the problem? The answer, the table has 4 equal sides and each side is 45 centimeters. E. What is the operation to be used? Answer, multiplication. F. What is the number sentence? Answer, 45 times 4 is equal to 180. G. What is the answer? Answer, the perimeter of the table is 180 centimeters. Now, what are the characteristics of rhombus? First, it has 4 equal sides. Second, all sides have the same length. Third, looks like a tilted square or diamond. To find the perimeter of a rhombus table as illustrated above, follow these steps. Number 1, identify the measurement of the side. Side is 45 centimeters. Number 2, since a rhombus has 4 equal sides, simply add all the lengths of the sides. Perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. P is equal to 45 centimeters plus 45 centimeters plus 45 centimeters plus 45 centimeters. The answer is, the perimeter of the rhombus table is 180 centimeters. Perimeter of rhombus. P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, or P is equal to 4 times side, or P is equal to 4 times S, or 4S. Example number 1. Compute the perimeter of the parallelogram given below. P is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. P is equal to 2 times 9 inches plus 2 times 4 inches. P is equal to 18 inches plus 8 inches. P is equal to 26 inches. Example number 2. Find the perimeter of a rhombus below. Side length is equal to 10 inches. P is equal to 4 times side. P is equal to 4 times 10 inches. P is equals to 40 inches. Learning activity number 1. A. Solve the perimeter of the following. Show your solutions. Choose any strategy in solving. Here's number 1 and 2. Here's numbers 3, 4, and 5. Let us answer. Perimeter of parallelograms. Just add all the sides. Number 1, 38 centimeters. Number 2, 24 centimeters. Number 3, 40 centimeters. Number 4, 24 meters. And number 5, 50 meters. B. Complete me. Complete the table below. Let us answer. A parallelogram tile, 40 plus 25 times 2 is equal to 130 centimeters. Number 2, a parallelogram table. 6.5 plus 4.5 times 2 is equal to 22 meters. Number 3, a parallelogram frame. 75 plus 40 times 2 is equal to 230 centimeters. Number 4, a parallelogram mirror. 125 plus 50 times 2 is equal to 350 centimeters. And number 5, a parallelogram window. 48 plus 24 times 2. The answer, 144 centimeters. C. Match me. Match column A with column B. Now, here's the answer. Number 1, 78 centimeters or letter C. Number 2, 46 centimeters or letter E. Number 3, 26 meters or letter B. Number 4, 62 centimeters or letter D. And number 5, 30 centimeters or letter A. Learning activity number 2. A. Find the perimeter of the following rhombuses. Choose your answer inside the box below. Here are the choices. A. 60 centimeters. B. 52 centimeters. C. 80 centimeters. D. 24 centimeters. E. 32 centimeters. Here's numbers 3 and 4. And here's number 5. Answer, perimeter of rhombuses, formula 4 times side. Number 1, 32 centimeters, letter E. Number 2, 52 centimeters, letter B. Number 3, 80 centimeters, letter C. Number 4, 24 centimeters, letter D. And number 5, 60 centimeters, letter A. Letter B, one more. Add all the sides to find the perimeter of each rhombus. Show your solution. Here's numbers 1 to 5. Let us answer. Number 1, a park is in a shape of a rhombus. Each side measures 150 meters. Solution: 150 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150 is equal to 600 meters. The answer: the perimeter of the park is 600 meters. Number 2, a rhombus mat measures 75 centimeters on each side. Solution: 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus 75 is equal to 300 centimeters. The answer: the perimeter of the mat is 300 centimeters. Number 3, a rhombus study table has a side of 45 centimeters. Solution: 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 180 centimeters. The answer: the perimeter of the table is 180 centimeters. Number 4, a window is in a rhombus shape having a side of 150 centimeters. Solution: 150 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150 is equal to 600 centimeters. The answer: the perimeter of the window is 600 centimeters. Number 5, the side of a rhombus fan is 32 centimeters. Solution: 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 is equal to 128 centimeters. The answer: the perimeter of the fan is 128 centimeters. Day 3. Subtopic number 2, trapezoid and trapezoidal shapes. Let's read a problem. Mrs. Mary Jane Reyes wants to stay fit, so she walks around the trapezoidal park every day before going to school. The park measures 35 meters, 40 meters, 55 meters, and 70 meters respectively. What is the total distance that Mrs. Camelo covers every day? Here are the questions that we need to answer. Let us answer. Letter A. Who walks around the park every day before going to school? The answer: Mrs. Mary Jane Reyes. B. What is the shape of the park? The answer: trapezoid or trapezoidal. C. What is asked in the problem? The answer: the total distance Mrs. Reyes walks around the park every day. D. What are the given facts that can help you solve the problem? The answer: the side lengths of the park, 35 meters, 40 meters, 55 meters, and 70 meters. The length of the sides of the trapezoidal park are as follows. Side 1, 35 meters. Side 2, 40 meters. Side 3, 55 meters. And side 4, 70 meters. What to do with the sides? Add the measurements of all the sides. Add the measurements of all the sides. P is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. P is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. P is equal to 35 meters plus 45 meters plus 55 meters plus 70 meters. P is equal to 200 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the trapezoidal part is 200 meters. How do we find the perimeter of this figure? To find the perimeter of a trapezoid, add all the length of the sides. P is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. P is equal to 35 meters plus 40 meters. That's 2 parallel sides. Plus 55 meters plus 70 meters. That's 2 non-parallel sides. Is equal to 75 meters plus 125 meters is equal to 200 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the figure above is 200 meters. Perimeter of a trapezoid. P is equal to side 1 plus side 2, parallel sides, plus side 3 plus side 4, non-parallel sides. Example number 1. My brother bought a trapezoidal frame with the following measurements: 60 centimeters, 65 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 95 centimeters. What is its perimeter? Here are the questions that we need to answer. Let us answer. A. Who bought a frame? The answer, my brother. B. What is the shape of the frame? The answer, trapezoid. C. What is asked in the problem? The answer, what is the perimeter of the frame? D. What are the given facts that can help you solve the problem? The answer, the sides of the frame are 60 centimeters, 65 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 95 centimeters. E. What are the measurements of the sides of the frame? The answer, the sides of the frame are 60 centimeters, 65 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 95 centimeters. Lesson activity number 3. Find the perimeter of each trapezoid by adding all the sides. Here's numbers 1 and number 2. For numbers 3, 4, and 5, here it is. Of course, let us answer. Number 1, the answer is 32 centimeters. Number 2, 63 meters. Number 3, 49 centimeters. Number 4, 20 centimeters. And number 5, 36 meters. Part 2. Calculate me. Solve the perimeter of the following figures below. Show your solution. Here's numbers 1 and number 2. Of course, the answer, number 1, perimeter is 156 meters. Number 2, perimeter is 300 meters. Part 3, String Art Activity. Materials needed: pre-made cardboard with pushpins or foam board with pushpins. Pushpins, colored string or yarn, rulers, pencils, scissors. Instructions: number 1, ask the students to create their designs using the yarn and the pre-made string art board. They should tie one end of the string to a pushpin and continue until the string outlines a quadrilateral. Number 2, once the string art is complete, students can use the space between the pushpins as one unit to measure the perimeter. They should start at one corner, count the units along each side, and add them up to get the total perimeter. Number 3, after completing the string art, cut out and tie the end of the string to the last pushpin. And finally, display the finished art or string art and have the students share the shapes they created and the perimeters they calculated. Day 3. Learners' takeaways. Number 1, what is perimeter? Number 2, how do we solve the perimeter of a closed figure such as a parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezoid? Reflection on learning. When was the last time you miscalculated the perimeter of a shape like a rectangle, square, or trapezoid? How did you realize your mistake? And what did you do to fix it? Day 4. Formative assessment. Part 1. Solve for the perimeter of the following quadrilaterals. Here's numbers 1 to 5. And here's the answer for part 1. Number 1, 260 meters. Number 2, 250 meters. Number 3, 220 meters. Number 4, 235 centimeters. Number 5, 200 meters. Part 2, choose the letter of the correct formula or number sentence. Here's numbers 1 to 3. Numbers 4 and 5. Part 2, answer. Number 1, A. Number 2, C. Number 3, A. Number 4, B. And number 5, C. Part 3. Read and analyze each problem below, then fill in the needed data. Number 1. Anna Marie, together with her friends, walks around the parallelogram park to stay fit. If the park has a length of 25 meters and a width of 18 meters, what is the distance that Anna Marie and friends walk? Number 2, a trapezoidal lot is to be planted with santan plants all around. The sides of the lot measure 10 meters, 15 meters, 35 meters, and 40 meters respectively. What is the perimeter of the lot? Number 3, one side of a rhombus working table is 60 centimeters. Find its perimeter. Part 3, word problems, answer. Number 1, perimeter is 86 meters. Number 2, perimeter is 100 meters. And number 3, perimeter is 240 centimeters.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!